Meet Miracle. His impound number is A4474961. Miracle is a miniature poodle mix. He's about 4 years old, and he found himself at the shelter here. We don't think he's housebroken. He may be a marker, we don't know. Here at the kennel, we haven't seen any indication of that. We know that he's a urine holder and doesn't like to go to the bathroom until he gets out into one of the yards. So we don't know what was going on with the previous adopter. But he's a cute little guy. He's very engaging. He walks well on the leash. He's currently kenneled with 2 other dogs, and he does just fine. Look at the camera. And he's just a sweetie pie. He's just a sweetie pie. Be a great lap dog, be a great couch potato for someone, and also a great little guy to take on walks. So come on down today and meet Miracle at the Agora Animal Shelter.